Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamline Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight we're talking about Clio Grow, and specifically we're going to make sure that you're not losing any data that might be coming into your Clio Grow inbox. And so I'm going to hop on over to the screen here and we can take a look. Now, one of the neatest features, frankly, about Clio Grow is the idea that I can have information coming into the inbox. And if you'll click right up here, we've got our inbox that'll take you to this screen. And I've got some messages in here. And one of the neatest features is the idea that I can just simply click on one of these messages. The message, by the way, can be added by an answering service that you have integrated, a form on your contact us form on your website. There's multiple ways that it can get in there. But once it does, I can simply click on this quick intake here. That's a bit of a tongue twister. And once I do that, it's going to already have this person's contact information in there. And so I can see that it's all been transferred here. And additionally, it includes the little message that the person left for me in a matter note. And so with a little tag and everything telling me when it came in. And so once I fill out my quick intake, I can create a new matter here. And it's going to create this new matter for Charlie Brown. And you'll see there's already a note in there, which is the note that came in through the inbox. Super convenient, super streamlined. It's a really great feature. However, if we go into the inbox again, you'll see that in addition to being able to add a quick intake, I could decide, you know what, I'm not going to make this a whole matter yet. I'm not sure if this is a person that we are going to start a matter for. It might just be, someone, a solicitor or a vendor or somebody. I might want to keep their contact information, and so I can go ahead and add a contact. And so if I click, and you'll see this guy, he also left his email address, his phone number. He left us a message as well. He's dealing with the third DUI. So I'm going to go ahead and add, but instead now I'm going to add a contact instead of a quick intake. And so when I do that, again, it gives me all of his contact information that he submitted, and I can go ahead and click on submit. Now you'll notice before I do that, it's not handing over that note. Again, you'll remember he did say he needed to hire someone to deal with his dad. He has anger issues and just received his third DUI. When I click add a contact, that's not here anywhere. And when I go ahead and submit that to become a contact, it's also not anywhere on the contact information either. What's more concerning to me is the idea that that information disappears. It's gone. And so even if I come back to the inbox here, you'll see Luke Skywalker's not there anymore. His contact information is not there. Even if I click on these ignored messages, he's not there. And so essentially that information is lost to me. So when I turn someone into, so just to recap, when I turn someone into a contact, then that message is going to be lost. Now, of course, I can, if I know that in advance, take steps and train my team to possibly copy that message before. Maybe I turn them into a contact now that I've copied the message. I turn them into a contact, and I can go ahead and submit that to turn them into a contact. Then I can come here and add the notes and paste it right there, and call it something like initial note or initial contact, right? And then I can save it. The trick is, though, if I don't know that in advance and if I don't take the time to copy that information, again, it will be lost from the inbox and there is no way to retrieve or recover that information. So make sure that you're training your team accordingly. Make sure that the people using Clio Grow know how to use it properly and can preserve that information if in fact you need it or want to keep it, because otherwise it is going to be lost. So train your team well and let us know if we can help. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. I'll see you soon.